Does he like that swing? What's he doing? Do you want to tickle his toes? Mm-hmm. He's soft. You gonna sing him a song?
Mission.
Do you want to give Isaac a kiss on the top of his head? Do you want to give him a kiss right here? What a good big sister. That was a good kiss. Do you love your brother? Do you love Isaac? That's a yes.